So today we are going to learn about the lsl file, lsl command. This command gives you the details of all the files and directories present in your current working directory. Okay, so first I will check my working directory. That way I will do so by writing pwd command. So right now I am in my home directory. Now I will write my lsl file, lsl command, and click enter. Now you can see the details of all the directories and files. So you can here a lot of things are written here. So I will explain it one by one to you. Okay, so let's start with the directory name desktop. Start from the left side. As you can see here, the letter D denotes that it's a file or a directory. It's a file or a folder. Directory means folder. Okay, so if it's written D, that means that this particular thing is a directory or a folder. Then we have rwx, then again r, then dash, then x, then again r, then dash, then x. So these are the access of users and owner and groups. So the first rwx, that is read, write, and execute permissions. These permission, this is for the owner of the system. This access is to the owner of the system. So that means the directory desktop has the permission, has given the permission to the owner to read, write, and execute in it. Okay, so now the next three letters R, then dash, then X. Here also it could be R, W, X, read, write, and execute. But here we have R dash X. That means the the group here. This denotes the group, the permission which the group have. So the group have only the read and the executable permission, not the writing permission. Okay, just like that, the third one denotes the others. Others have which permissions? It denotes this. So others have read and execute permission, not write permission. Okay, now after this we have two. This two or one or anything, this denotes the link counts. Then we have loan written here. This is my name, the name of my system which I have given. So this denotes you, that means the owner name. Then we have this is the group name. Group name can be anything different from the owner name, but in my case my group name is also same as the owner name. Then we have this tells me the file size in MB. Okay, so the file size of this, not file, this is a directory, a folder. Its size is 4096. Then we have this is the time when it was last accessed. It doesn't denote me the time when it was created, it denotes me the time when it was last accessed. Similarly, we have this one. As you can see here, we have a dash. In place of D, we have a dash. Dash denotes that this particular thing is a file, not a directory. It's a file. Then we have R, W, then dash. This means the owner only have here the read and write permissions, no executable permissions. The group have read and write permission, no executable permission, whereas the others have only the read permission, not write as well as executable permissions. So let's suppose if I want to change any permission. So how can I do so? I can do so by writing chmod. That means change mode. Now change mode. Let's suppose I'm targeting this particular file.c. Okay, I'm targeting this. So I just want to change its permission. We have rw and dash. That means we don't have executable permission for the owner. I just want to do I just want to change this permission for the owner and make it read, write, and execute, three things together. So for that, what I have to do, I have to write here chmod. Then for owner we write u, for group we write g, and for others we write o. Okay, so right now I am changing it for the owner. So for owner I will write u. Then for adding some permission, we need to write plus. Okay, plus, then I will write r w x. That means read, write, execute. I can write this also, but here as I can see the read and write permission is already given, so I will only simply write the x. Okay, that means the execute permission. And then I will write the file or directory name, that is here in my case it's file.c. I am changing it for the file names, the file.c. Okay, and then press enter. And if now I will check ls space minus l and click enter. Now as you can see here, we have rwx for owner. If I will compare it with here, You can see it's RW and dash, and you can see a green color. It is highlighted in green color. That denotes me that it's got updated. So if we can also remove any permission. If I want to remove the permission, I have to write just similar thing, chmod. Then I will write u. Then I will write in place of plus. Now I want to remove this, so I will write minus, then x. Then I will write whatever I want to remove. Here I want to remove. Here I want to remove. Uh, I want to remove R, W, and X, all the three permission. For example, then I will write RWX, then I will write my file or directory name, that is file.c, and then click enter. Now I will click write lsl. Now let's just see this. All the permission for the owner has been removed from here. Okay. Now if let's suppose I want to change the permission for everyone, that is owner, group, and others, for everyone all at once. Then how can I do so? I can do so by writing chmod, then a denotes all. Okay, a. Then I will right now I just want to remove the permissions, then minus, or I can simply do, I will show you both. I will first remove a permission and then I will add the permission, rwx, and then file dot c. Okay, or let's I change this, use a directory, that is music, music. Okay, music. Now let's check. Oh sorry, I have to give a space. See, I have changed this. As you can see here, the permission has been removed for all, owner, group, and others. Everyone's permission has been removed. For comparison, I can show you here. Here you can check in music. We have this permission for owner. We have read, write, execute. For group, we have read, not write, but execute. And for others, we have read, not write, and execute. But here, after modifying, we don't have permission for anyone. Now let's suppose I want to change it. So chmod, then a, then plus rwx, and then music, music, and then lsl. See, as you can see here, every permission have been given to everyone. Okay, the owner, the group, and others, everyone has been given the permission of read, write, and execute.